Myself that I'm alright.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is lisaphan, and today we are cleaning out my closet. As some of you guys may know, I am going off to college this fall and I have a ton of clothes. A lot of you guys always ask how much clothes I have, and it's quite a bit. And a college closet is like this big, so I need to downsize a lot before I go away. And so I'll be putting all my clothes into 3 different piles: the keep, sell, and donate pile. And in order to sell all the clothing pieces that I want to, I'll be using Depop, which you guys know if you guys have followed me for a long time. I used it so much. I've sold on the app, I've bought things from the app, and I would love to thank Depop for sponsoring this video. I will be selling all the pieces on the Depop app, so you guys can go ahead to the app store and download it to either buy or sell any clothing pieces, thrifted items, accessories, all that. I found some really cool like vintage thrifted pieces on there. It's super easy. I'm not one to search through a ton of clothes to find just one sweater I like. I love filtering the things on Depop just to find the specific vintage item that I would like. So if you don't want to sell, you can definitely buy on the app. It's super fun, easy way to make money, and I definitely need to do that before I go away to college. And it's kind of like shopping someone's Instagram. You can make a whole aesthetic on your page, and you can find some really cool pieces on the Explore page. So I'll be sure to link my Depop down below for you guys to shop all the pieces I filter out in this video as I clean out my closet. So let's get into it. I have a ton of clothes. We got a clean house. I'm gonna put my hair up in a ponytail and get to work. So without further ado, let's clean out my closet because I'm going to college and I don't need half of this stuff. Oh my god. Welcome. So that was a bit dramatic, I apologize. But here we are at my closet, nothing super fancy. I just have a normal, just not walk-in at all kind of closet. I probably should go through all my other drawers as well so that I can make more space, but at this point I just have to get rid of clothes. So let me show you the disaster.
And oh, I feel all alone.
Okay, it doesn't look that crazy. I'm quite organized and clean when it comes to color coordinating and just making sure all my clothes fits, but let me tell you guys, I maybe wear like 30, 40 at most % of this closet. I don't remember the last time I wore some of these pieces. Some of these pieces still have tags on them. I never hauled them and I just never wore them in any setting, not even on Instagram. Like I probably wore some of these pieces that you guys have never seen before just in real life and I just never took a picture of it. This video is going to be for that. Some of this is just too old for me to sell to you guys. So of course I'll be donating clothes locally, giving them away to friends and family, keeping probably a lot of this clothes, and also selling a lot of good stuff. So let's get to it. Okay, so in this corner of my closet I have all white pieces, and I maybe wear like 20% of these just over and over and over again and just nothing else. Okay, so this is really heavy, so let's go through them very quickly, and I'll speed some of this up just to go really fast with all this sorting so that I can try on the pieces I'll be selling to you guys. Dang, I've had this forever, but I don't remember the last time I wore it. Maybe 2 years ago in a video. Yeah, we're gonna sell.
So every long day is a bad day, true. And every cold day is a sad day. Also, and every short day is a good day. But every time I see you, I still turn away.
Okay, so now we have sweaters and stuff. I'm going to be keeping sweaters, but just not in my seasonal closet. I'll just be storing this away in case I need it for the winter time. I won't be needing it anytime soon, so I'm gonna put this away for storage, probably in a bin in my basement. So that will go into storage. It's a separate pile.
I know.
Guys, I've literally only worn this top once, but it is so cute, but I feel like I would never wear it again. I'll probably sell this. This is a definite donate. I just don't wear it much, and I think it would be a very good basic for anyone that needs a normal t-shirt. This is a brand new top. Haven't worn it yet, so I will keep this for the time being. So, yeah.
And oh,
also a new long sleeve. This is a Reformation top that I actually got off of Depop, so I'll be keeping this, just haven't worn it yet. Summertime is not really the move for layering, but this is perfect for the upcoming fall time. This I've only worn once, so I think this is a good sell item. I wore it once for a photo.
I know, 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 okay. I know, I know, I know, I know, I know, I know, I know. I look into the mirror, I'm like, who this is? I listen to his songs, I'm like, who this is? Asking all these questions, but I got no answers. Turning to the smoke, trying to find some answer. Whoa, I've been on a road, hitting rock bottom few times in a row. Like, oh, I wish I would grow, be a better son, call my mama little mama. Messed up, but trust me, I know. Do better, oh, I know for sure. Stressed out, oh, baby, I know. I'm lost and I know for sure. I know, I know, I know.
Okay guys, so I have downsized a lot of the top portion of my closet. I'm gonna go ahead and regroup a little bit. Why is there so much going on?
Alive, losing all my sense and my side of time. So every long day is a bad day, true. And every cold day is a sad day. Also, and every short day is a good day. But every time I see you, I 𝐋𝐄𝐓'𝐒, I 𝐋𝐄𝐓'𝐒. Hey, cause I'm messed up, but trust me.
Okay guys, so I just cleaned out the top part of my closet, and as you can see, there are a lot of gaps, so I did get rid of a lot of clothes. I also just added in a couple of my new clothing pieces. I usually leave all my new clothing pieces on my garment rack, but that I will be using for all my Depop items for me to hang up so I can have them out and ready to ship when they're listed. I'm gonna go ahead and start cleaning out the bottom part of my closet, which is gonna be a little hard. So we basically have dresses and rompers and all this stuff that runs all the way to the back. I have a bunch of blazers and jean jackets over there, and then all of these drawers are bottoms, so I have my jeans, leggings, skirts, shorts, all that stuff is in here. I also have some other bags of clothing in the corner, so there's a lot to go through. I'm gonna go ahead and speed through this, and then at the very end I will show you guys what I'll be selling and try those all on. Okay guys, so I think I did it. I think I downsized my closet quite a bit. I know you guys just watched like a ton of me being confused and sorting or whatever, but I think I narrowed it down pretty well. I have a huge mess behind me, but here's what I have kind of accomplished. I kind of went in and really thought about what I actually wear, and as you can see, by really thinking about it, I created some sort of aesthetic that I think I actually do really follow. I love light colors right now. I love the girly stuff, so you guys see a lot of frilly things in my closet. Very light colored jackets and dresses, nothing too dark. The only thing that's dark are all my black like tank tops and basics, but I really don't own that many dark colors. Most of it is light, white, creams, pinks, pastels. So I think I did really well with downsizing and really minimizing my closet. There's a ton of spaces, and as you guys saw before, I had a ton of squished clothing, and this is with all of my new clothing inside. I do have quite a bit more to put back in, but I wanted to think about the other closets as well. I have 2 wardrobes beside of me that we haven't done anything to yet. There is a huge pile right now for me to sell, but I'm gonna sort through the pile and see how much I can donate as well, because a lot of this stuff can be donated. I just have to rethink the value to the market on Depop at the moment. So I will see what I will be selling, and the rest will be donated or given to family members and friends and things like that to look through. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and sort through my 2 other closets, and I will update in a little bit. So I had to move a bunch of the clothes, or pretty much all the clothes. I just moved every single article of clothing that I sorted out to sell down to my basement because it is super cold down here, which I think is just best for the clothes to not sit in really hot temperature, because upstairs at my house is just super hot and I was sweating just doing all of the sorting anyway. So I thought I'd just bring everything down here, which is where I will be trying everything on, taking pics, and just sorting to sell to you guys very soon. But we have a ton of clothes, as you can see here. And I'm actually gonna have my family come sort through it first tonight, just so that they get first dibs on any clothing pieces they want to take in before I sell, because they are my family. Don't know if they want any of these clothing pieces, but these are the final selections on what I think you guys would like in my store on Depop. So these are the selling pieces. I also have a pile of pants and jeans and things down here that I'm going to sell, but pretty much just all these clothes and those pants. Yeah, they're all just kind of gonna get stored down here, and I will show you guys the try on pieces after I finalize all of the choices of Depop stuff. So I just finished all the try-ons and everything like that. Those are all the items I will be listing first on my Depop. I will link all the info on my Depop down below again, but these are the things I'll be listing for now. Once they're sold out or things are starting to sell, I'll start listing more items, because I didn't want to kind of just like throw a bunch in your guys' face. I will start listing more once these go, but I thought these would be a great starter. I kind of did a little bit in each category, so tops, bottoms, jackets, and dresses. So yeah, those are all the items that I will be selling on Depop, and I still have more stock or whatever in this closet, so stay tuned for all of that. But yeah, those are all the items I kind of sorted through and I'm getting rid of, and I'm very happy with how much I'm getting rid of. My closet definitely looks like it reflects more of who I am. Of course, that's not all of my clothes. Most of that is just my summer clothes, so we're gonna have to do this again one day. Not too soon, but once winter hits, I'll bring out all my winter clothes, and we're gonna have to sort through all of that before I go to school for the second semester. So anyway, probably gonna be part 2 for cleaning out for college, because there's a lot of stuff I want to get rid of. And that is it for this video. I did clean out my closet. I think I'm super happy with the outcome, and being able to donate a lot of my clothes as well. Start a Depop shop that you guys can shop as well. Again, thank you to Depop for sponsoring today's video. I will link all the info on my Depop down below with all the items I showed in the try-ons listed once this video goes up. And that is all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you guys want to see next, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, beauties!
So every long day is a bad day, true, and every cold day is a sad day, also, and every short day is a good day. But every time I see you, I 𝐋𝐄𝐓'𝐒, hey. Cause I'm messed up, but trust me, I know I could do better, oh I know for sure. Stressed out, oh baby, I know I'm lost, and I know for sure.